Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and we have our Dodge Ram that we coated with Undrdog Lite about a month ago in for a ceramic coating maintenance wash. It's been a month since this vehicle has been washed, and it has been driven all over the place, up into the mountains. We've had a lot of rain, a lot of mud and dirt, and this actually is used also as like a construction vehicle. So it's definitely got a good bit of dirt that is accumulated on it. I want to share with you guys how to maintain the Undrdog Lite coating to get maximum durability, but just how easy it is to maintain your vehicle when you have Undrdog Lite on it. So let's get right into it.
So we're just going to do a quick walk around so you can see the condition of the paint before we go ahead and start washing it. A pressure washer is going to be our best friend in this situation, and you'll see in a few seconds just how easily we're able to blast all this dirt off because it really doesn't stick because of the coating protecting it. We do have some dirt and water spots from dirt just kind of drying on the panels, and you'll find especially on these lower panels they can get clogged up when they're heavily soiled like this. But our upper portions look fantastic. We don't have any sort of water spotting issues, so I'm really excited to see how this baby cleans up.
Alright, so we have all of our products ready to go for our maintenance wash. We're going to actually do our tires, wheels, and wheel wells first. For those of you that have never maintained a ceramic coating or just are kind of new to maintaining your own vehicle, ideally do tires, wheels, and wheel wells first, because if you wash the vehicle first and then do your tires, any water that is left on the panels could become potential water spots. So I always do my tires, wheels, and wheel wells first, and that way I can focus on my paint last, do your final rinse, and then immediately dry off to help prevent water spots. I do have hard water here, so we always do tires, wheels, and wheel wells first. So we have that bucket ready to go with our soap, our miscellaneous brushes, and our wheel cleaner. And you can see I have a second bucket ready to go. We've got a plush microfiber. You want something that is soft, that's going to kind of pull the dirt away from the panel, that's going to be forgiving. I don't recommend any sort of sponges, but you want to make sure it's a microfiber material. We have our grit guard at the bottom. That's going to help any sort of dirt that is on our wash media. When we rinse it, that dirt will settle to the bottom. You can do a high pressure rinse of your wash media before you put it into the bucket to help eliminate future scratches. But when it comes to our soap, we're going to be using Undrdog soap. Now this is a prep and aftercare soap, so fantastic value. You're going to be able to prep for your coating and then also maintain the coating afterwards with the same soap. We're going to put some in our foam cannon. I picked that up from McKee's 37, and we'll also put some in our wash bucket. And then when we are done doing our wash, we are going to use the Undrdog Quick Detail as a drying aid, and we have a plush microfiber washer ready to go. We're going to go into time lapse. This is very straightforward and basic, but I wanted at least for those of you that are new to maintaining coatings, this is just some basics that you want to go over to help prevent water spots as well as to prevent future scratches, marring from your wash media. That's the number one way that swirls and scratches are introduced to your paint, is through your wash media. So you want to do a proper high pressure rinse. We're going to foam on our soap for added lubrication, do our contact wash, then we're going to rinse and then use a drying aid that's going to help lubricate. That way if there's any sort of lingering dirt, or if it's a windy day like today, any sort of dirt blows on the panel while you're drying, that's just going to give us a little bit of extra protection as well as refresh the coating on top, so that way we have carefree drying and we will have fantastic gloss and shine. So without further ado, let's get this baby washed. Great demonstration of when a coating can get clogged up, and that means if you have an excess of dirt or road film that accumulates on the lower panels, especially when you drive in the rain or if we've had snow and salt, that contamination or road film can clog a coating and make it look flat, make it look like it's not performing. Here on our upper panels, you can see we've got fantastic beading, and this is a high beading coating. You might be seeing this and saying, oh, the coating is sheeting really slowly. It's failed. No, it hasn't. It's just clogged. It needs a good, thorough contact wash. That's the number one issue with ceramic coatings, that people think it's failed. It does need a contact wash. You can't just go through a non-touch and expect to get maximum durability. You need some sort of contact wash, but a proper contact wash. That's where you need lubrication from your soap, plush media from your wash mitt and your drying towel, and that's proper contact wash will unclog and make your coating perform the way it should. But you can see here, our lower panels, we've got a lot of road boogers, as I call them, dirt, straw, even some dead worms. We've had a lot of rain the last couple days, and it's splattered up on these lower panels. What's fantastic about a coating is that it's going to make all of that a lot easier to remove. You're not going to have to put as much effort into removing that, therefore eliminating the risk of scratching your paint because you're having to scrub those stuck on pieces. Now you can just blast it off with high pressure. All in all, the coating looks absolutely fantastic. We're going to go ahead, get her dried off, and put our quick detail as a topper and a drying aid, and we'll do a quick walk around to show you the finished look. But this was 30 days after applying Undrdog Lite. No wash since that time frame. It's been heavily driven, snow, salt, rain, mountains, construction, you name it. It has been exposed to those elements, and you can see it is going fantastic. It looks like day one. So this was 1 month update on Undrdog Lite. Alright guys, and in 30 minutes we were able to do a complete wash and dry on our black crew cab pickup truck in direct sunlight. I was moving a little bit fast just because I didn't want to deal with water spots, but very impressed with quick detail. Did a fantastic job of safely drying the vehicle, helping to remove any sort of light water spots that might have occurred because I'm drying in direct sunlight. And it just replenished the coating, gave fantastic gloss and shine. No streaking whatsoever. When we come in here, you can see I didn't have to follow up with a second microfiber because of streaking on the black paint. So I did do 2 sprays per panel, and it did a fantastic job of giving us that extra lubrication, restoring the gloss and shine, as well as just replenishing the hydrophobics in the coating. So all in all, fantastic products to maintain your Undrdog coatings, or really any coating for that fact. 2 very affordable, easy to use products. I will put the link for them down below for those of you that are wanting to try them out for yourself. But for those of you that have an Undrdog coating, let me know what you're experiencing. All in all, I will tell you guys, I am very impressed with these coatings. I will be doing a maintenance wash on Pro later this week. So for those of you that want to see how Pro can perform, make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell off to the side, so that way you can be notified when we have future videos that drop. But Undrdog Lite, fantastic coating, fantastic system to protect your vehicle, very easy to maintain, and very user-friendly products. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But we will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.